twa kire mubango Bishop kana mutume kwa mwathani kainambere kwiwa agitu nenkagira kireki atukainambere kwiwa tukimenyaga maingi makonenie na miji yetu. Karibu sana kare Bishop.
Asante.
Thank you for having time with us again.
Thank you.
Kiumia gikaire.
Jumapili
tuonire na kanisa ni wa kutona wantu ba kenede sana. Na tuadise tukaya yunga tuwemo.
Karibu
nagu
karibu sana.
Tuone bora tumabika live. Karibu sana. Kile murigiro wa Meru TV na ikiamu tukainambere kwa tu kiambagire bwega.
Asante sana. Ingogade murigiro wa Meru TV ohara kondeare nkimwira karibu sana mpango ne yu kenda tukaria manto ye family na nonto family togere kambere God ordained. Na mpango wa Mulungu rekyo tutona tware ya family.
Yes.
Na Mulungu atutakia itu kwenda kulia station yembere atwarai no kenda tuta station yile kana party yile.
Yes.
Na Mulungu wa tutarima twinde yetu ana Yesu Kristo. Inko rikana the lastly that warea twarire manzo ya family.
Yes.
Na totikira family. Na toga na ara Mulungu na okay akwira wonete family. No neta favor kuma ke Mulungu. Na mtu wode wonete favor ke Mulungu imunjora wethe ena family.
Yes.
Na naro ingo ndako teka kintu kingi ndene ya kiwa kama Mulungu kailia lakini bali manzo ya healthy family. Kana family yeno ngima.
Yes.
Healthy families provide a safe place for every member to express his or her feeling, thoughts, opinion and desires. Families do not have to agree on everything in order to maintain harmony.
Yes.
The absence of family conflict is not necessarily ruled by authoritarian strictness. Others refuse to allow any type of discussion. God designed the family to be a place where every member feels loved, valued, where differences can be acknowledged and respected, and where inevitable conflicts are peacefully resolved. Those dealing with family conflicts, we can learn humility, kindness, patience, and selfless love. Galatians chapter number 5, verse number 20.
Yes.
Traits that will benefit us as we interact with our brothers and sisters in the families of God. Katuka mandine kura Galatia ilano mustari wa 22. Galatians chapter 5 verse number 22. Na ndenda kuna ngambo yoto ya Kemeru. Galatians chapter 5 verse number 22. Tuiwora ba iwe kuga. Manzo ya Galatia kena tutai mwaka Galatia tu Galatinano mustari wa 22. Ilugazere. Indiri Rochia roke rundu ne rururu. Ne kwendana na kuwirwa na ukiri kuumiria gutugana guthanagiria kwega na witikania na kwinyiria na ningi muntu amenyegire mwiri wa kwega gutigwatho bwa kugiria mantu yau ya tokuthitharua 24 kaugatiri na ri antu barabare ba Kristo Jesu nibo wagite miri yao na kumeamba mutima iguru amwe na mathoganio yara mathuku na maiririria yayo. Tukerwa ni tutongagirwa ni kirundu twetageni o tutongeretwe ni kirundu mitrene yetu tutigageni wikumia tukithingatanaga na kumenanaga. Kwe mantu wegwe kwa hiyo tularia mantu ya family.
Yes.
Ara Mulungu ararere family omuntu wende abatene kura aye feed ndene ya family. Na muntu akaibwe na kuwirwa ndene ya family. Na bila biorita nowadays eke family nyingi otekuwirwa no kure ku family. Irangus eke family. Na the family provides a safe place. Family ina hafia. Ya na antoa ega amumemba wele wa family aumbe wa express madhugania yawe araumbikia kuthikirwa araumbikia kwaya na desire tiawe.
Yes.
Na families tika nyare atu tugite kana ile na tukiana gua kakore akuiga no gote ya ikuya lakini at the end of the day conflict na disagreement chia ya to achieve solve na jere mulungu no ntuni bi mulungu athanire ndene ya family ibi bia ni ndene ya ukura Galatians bila mulungu athanire ndene ya family number 1 mulungu athanire mstari 22 Galatians chapter number 5 verse number 22 ndiro chia ro kerundu ne roro no tutubate ro tongerwa ni Holy Spirit o mulungu kwa kirundu mulungu na bateru family no ke akona family te weta kwega na yite kirundu mulungu number 1 kirundu eruchero kirundu mulungu ne roro family ne kuendana watu wao wanapendana na siku hizi ukiangalia familia nyingi watu wapendani why ibalakite kirundu family na mutegeri wa Meru TV no bateru ko wena kirundu mulungu okona bote kuendana family ne mukuru na mwekuru bate kuendana na mwekuru ibakomenana mwana na muchiari bate kuendana muchiari umwana kotoma mwana amena muchiari umwe ibagete kirundu mulungu na ote nteto ikondo chwa na ote mo hapo endekana na ote nabia kuendekana ikirundu mulungu urite ndene family ru na antu bendanage no mtu iruchia ro kirundu mulungu ndene family an healthy family na kuwirwa family ko yakotre tena kuwirwa no kuriku kirundu mulungu na urite ko yandu bagete kirundu mulungu ketha na kuruba tuma family yaka kuwirwa ana bateme yako rabia kwa na amani no ndo muguru na ira lady au tena kirundu mulungu no ara tena kirundu mulungu kuwirwa ikora number 3 na okiri we family tena okiri as you are talking na rochia kirundu mulungu iruru kuwetwa mutakari wa Meru TV itobaterwe ikirundu mulungu kenda kirundu mulungu no kaga kuendana meana tutumbele antu nteto chia manto kidumba lakini kando na neno ambalo tunalohubiri bado watu wanahitaji roho wa Mungu na tutaraje hizo itirie au ya tatu tikatwinga au tutika na moteria na wikirundu mulungu so ala kuonde kirundu mulungu belete ni ogona ako ina kumenana kuria kuiganwa kukaga kuwirwa na kirundu mulungu aleo ikawa na kuumiria kuumaniria so kinyanda grako ko mantu da thithia yate kuweria another family member bando kuna rumwe kuumaniria no tukirundu mulungu aleo ndeni yetu ni kwenda kuira mutegeri wa Meru TV kuumaniria ntukabata na kionekana aria kirundu mulungu aleo mwekuru no nginya umirie mukuru na mukuru no nginya umirie mwekuru ana no nginya ba umirie achiari na achiari no nginya ba umirie ana na gitu kingi igotugana iwekanira utugana na gitu kibitatu ikuthithanagiria bwega ukakona family ikuthithaniria bwei kirundu mulungu ate family ne atiku na yethra family ya kanisa na tunakona kina kanisa ne because that's a family of Christ a family ya Kristo so udango ya family ingoringethia corners akona kina kanisa ne antu batikuthithaniria bwega ibagite kirundu mulungu na these days ntato ni weka ikitinchakia na ikithoka why kirundu mulungu na urite ukakuthoma weta takaitia u witikanagia mutegeri wa Meru TV no witikagia family member ongi mutegeri wa Meru TV no tugagongi in that family you are no tugana mutegeri wa Meru TV no endanaga mutegeri of Meru TV ndene ya family yaku uri okiri o instrument ya peace kana o instrument ya chaos na rangus ndene family akwithira no ya to mwa wa barabara ta peace then you are an instrument of the other side the side that I don't mention The other side.
Yes.
Lakini ukiakwenda no twaigua blessed are the peacemakers. Kithalimu ikibara twa athiri. Ndikutha yetu atana bao. Atana ba Murungu. Atana ba adopted ba atana ba Murungu.
Yes.
Ba wa Kristo. Nonto peacemakers. Na Bible kariya kaua a family that stays together, prays together, and that is where God commands blessings.
Okay.
So akiakwenda antu batekara hamwe batiko shakiwo ka Murungu bari hamwe as a family. They don't pray together. Then tukatinda watata na tukatinda weta kwa muga na kenda ni weta kwa muga no ta chure gore kiu then igoraya tubichero no toreta ngamono. Not what is lacking, it is the Spirit of God is not in that family. And what we need, in the family, to produce a healthy family, it will need to yes. Not to when you remember one rangeri, rangira nkoro yako. Tonto rangeri marita watu. No mwaki wa nyumba na kulombo nja kile. No ndoraka ningoa kamoka. Yeah. With our own knowledge, we can build.
Yes.
Lakini it won't last. With our own knowledge, we can look for a family. We can have a family. But the key, the starter key, yotoma family Torah, we need the Spirit of God.
Amen.
We need the Spirit of God.
Yes.
Now we are supposed to seek to so that our family can be good. Another thing, now to more Egita,
yes.
I want to inquire whether man to area that to non to what time man to your family still into my family. If you read in the book of Colossians, in the book of 1 Timothy, chapter number 3, verse number 5, it will for if someone does not know how to manage his own household,
yes,
how will he care for God's church?
Kedro mtu atikomba ku manage kana kumenya nyombe yake wenga
family ya wewe wenga
family yake wenga
na ataombikia ku take care of God's church
nyumba ya Mungu,
meaning family na church into one. And church ikia church it's so that I can ndo amira kiwo grana again to kuira siku zote kanisa huanzia nyumbani.
Yes.
Na hiyo ndo ndiana kiwo kiwo. First of all, kenda kanisa ya healthy na kanisa ine epethia family because it's a cycle. No mwaka. Number one, we must know how to manage our families.
Okay.
Yes. Na okay hapo ya wateni na familia yako. You may pray and pray until turn you are but you are doing nothing. First of all, show watamelo.
Yes. Na muji wako.
Yes. Blessed are the peacemakers. Don't forget watanabao bamurungu. Another thing in the book of 1 Peter, chapter number 3, verse number 1. Likewise, wives, submit to your own husbands, so that even if someone do not obey the word, they may be won without a word by the conduct of the wives. Wowe kuru iritanirieni winekanire akorubenu kenda okihakwira kuumwe otetikitie kiuo akaomba kwa one akaomba kuwatwa na gucokanirua ikiuo conduct kana behavior cieko wao mutegeri wa Meru TV wewe mwekuru behavior ko wata mukuru mukuru are you a peace instrument kana uri instrument ya dina waku mwana uri instrument ya peace kere achia ribaku kana igo watu bagategetie murimo ya pressure na chukari. Ask yourself that question. Na nato wachoka biuri ne biu tuteni ndi gocho wa family na itoko nindi weta kulingerwa kwa muga kirundo murungu akena mage family tieto.
Yes.
In the book of Psalms chapter number 128 verse number 3, your wife will be like a fruitful vine with your in your house, your children will be like olive shoots around your table.
Wow.
Ewe tabana, mukuru dikira we kenda wa peace agent.
Yes.
Mwekoro woku agakara. Akakara will be like a fruitful vine. Agabaya karia muzabibu. Yero chira machia. Nanga baku na wa akara michachana ya miariki. Bagi ronkete medha yao yaku. Hapo kwa sababu roho wa Mungu wako hapo. Kuna watoto wanazunguka meza. Mama ni kama vine ambayo ni fruitful.
Yes.
Kwa sababu baba naye amekuwa peace agent. And that is where all the Spirit of God will dwell. In the book of Joshua chapter number 24 verse number 15. And if it is evil in your eyes to serve the Lord, choose this day whom you will serve.
Yes.
Whether guns of your fathers, whether guns that your fathers served in the region beyond the river, or guns of the Amorites, in whose land you dwell in. But for me and my house, I will serve the Lord. Do you get this one now? Ikiwa mtoto wa kanisa, familia ikiwa imepona, kanisa imepona.
Yes.
Na kanisa nayo ni nini? Church is not a building. That is a building of gathering of the church members. Maana church ni kusanyiko la waaminio. Lakini je, tunaamini nani? Huyo tunaamini tufuata maadili yake, tufuata neno lake. Tufuata tamko lake. Maana tuweza kuwa tunasema tu wa Kristo. Kanisa la wa Kristo.
Yes.
Lakini je, tufuata kile Bible inasema? Blessed are the peace makers. It doesn't matter you make peace in your family. It doesn't matter ni kwa ile hiyo jamii, familia ya kanisa huko unatafuta amani na patanisha, utaitwa mwana wa Mungu. Na tukiangalia katika kitabu cha Zaburi, katika kitabu cha Timotheo, 1 Timothy chapter 3 verse number 4. He must manage his own household well with all dignity, keeping his children submissive.
Okay.
Another one in the book of Proverbs, chapter number 9, verse number 20. My son, keep your father's commandment and forsake not your mother's teachings. Mwana ukaolelua imaagana ya babu. Maana kwa kila baraka sheria na masharti utumika. Ukaolelua imaagana ya babu no ukaolelua ikirira na moritani yana kwenda. Botegeri yongero TV we mukorore imaagana ya gorida na mwana. Kena kugita family ndera. Na wewe mwakorore ni uritani bweko uritanete mwana na buo kenda family uke ndo Mungu akaraku. Lastly, in the book of 1 Peter chapter number 3 verse number 1.
Yes.
It will likewise wives be submissive to submissive be subject to your own husband, so that even if someone do not obey, one may be one. Nimerudi pale. Na abu ekoro alamu nchoke nyuma Proverbs chapter 15 verse number 20. Iliwa, a wise son makes glad father, but a foolish man despises his mother. Despises his mother. Mudano mume na tumegezea uliwa.
Yes.
Lakini muntokea muligo kingina. Unaona? So ukitaka mantu ya family na yara Bible ya rete mantu ya family. Na yekiri kita family iko ne Mungu na agenda na na purpose.
Yes.
A family either ina umurungu. Na no tumurungu no mwambiri ya family.
Yes.
Ibatere kwere ino umurungu. Lakini nudikere kuma mbere yanti I help the family ikariatea ana bakirundu bena dingwana no to brenda na Biblia. Yeah.
Wow, that's very nice. Bwega sana mutumiki na bwega no tuba kiwe ukithongu na ndi yiromba kethwa kombekana maybe tukirotha summary ya ndazino chionde chia twethero tukeragira mantu maybe ma family. Yeah. kedu kiume kiu kenge maybe to the summary and tweno yonde alafu tunenkere murebirie wetu kanya kengo inambere kwiwe na kanya maybe ga interact na ati kule bioria na maybe tuwe tukirukagia maybe mutachiriga nona then tuwe uge wa maybe kwena gentumba kwiwe murebirie wetu athomente kumara atwambiria mantu mama ile family mtumba kwiwe na kiore yake kige na family amba kwiwe kiendaga kwarania nawe na I think ukewa tuena kanya kega sana kwa inambere kwa tukana na kwa na tubaingi sana bale tubaki maybe bakiora namba kuba mungu gaba kulingira bangi mbuga bakulingira tero no bakiora yekewa no bawena teachings maybe tiana na binambere lakini maybe tukariria gu mbere tutira binambere kwa tukirekagira no tubotema tika tukegwa tukithonga ndeni ya biorie munde kana tukianagirie mukwe mwana baba no okegwa maybe kwena antugomba kwegwa tukisamaresa mutumike ngo twegwa tukithirekagira
anyway na no tuko time kolingana na bora schedule kari
yes
mine is to say that family ni community mo
yes.
Now we need the family ba area amwe ni kala amwe na Mulungu athana so okay na family ku itharimwa mekie ki Mulungu
yes
okay akwenda wena mwana mwathiki umuchiaki muikie ki Mulungu nkorokie muchiari ura wena mwana tema ndo ginya komete tega intobire bitebi biera
iraida keke
iraida keke so okay akwenda wena family ndongi menyera family yaku umikeke Mulungu wetho na mukuru mwega do not relax ukadogania you won the battle but itake Mulungu mono number 3 family ite ko understand party
yes
family rienda andora by the family na issues chia family ite ko anda kuuma deni ya family nanga ika escalate ikenda mtu mediator look for a spiritual father
yes
who can nourish their Lord in between either imwana kana muchiari nonge na boungu ke gote tapora ya kwena counselors na mtutote yako overlook antora badomerete manto ya counseling they are there they can cancel because umegumu na kubwaya ni Mungu and that is the reason by ikyo ndo na ku bareo kwa mantu wa mikyo tota na familia yako kwa
wa bwega sana gwetigia okwebigoro murikeria na murenge wa Meru TV bwega tukainamba kwegwa tukiwata mantu mama mataro mama na I'm happy no to bwa kinya feedback era tukainamba kwa tukiwata na wome leo kuloketa na okay actually you're good doing a good job wow we are going to tetheria bantu na America no yetu yetu kuona tutongithia family irari na kathina bantu na yainamba kwekimenya okay ko mantu maruga wotu metha wa makarakari ogu I think you are doing very well mutumishi and thank you for that wala na utumire mkuruki kengo namba kwa impact maisha mantu baraba ile tubatu tegerete na ntu wengi sana baraba ile tunkirikana bakambira it's a wonderful world ikiwa kiega mutumeki na kurutana bwega kwe bantu ndarakari una lakini nkuona ngukarona I think testimony mchonde tukainamba kwa tukibanengea kanya kimetodhiete ngoba inamba kwa bachi nintawe na maybe think barabomba nonto maybe kuba kwa kwena nto wenda maybe support program na mantu mavitomara think toka kinyana bo tukaira babomba maybe kwa support program maybe tukirekeria mtu akenda okuwatirani kwe babomba kwa bakenda namba kukairi kwarania nawe one on one maybe mtu inamba kwa kibanenkagira na kaiwe kwena service okubanga bangania weekend no vinamba kwa kinyacho kitwera mtu
namba ya kwa ngomba kuwatikana na namba ya Safaricom 0792 359 686 ngachokera kaire namba 0792 359 686 na denge muntu akenda kukwatithania betharani office ina kanisa ne Tuesdays every Tuesday from the year mwaka thita kanisene na ukiondingira thimu you can connect na ndina michema niwe kuendelea nayo especially this time tumeta wa tuna muungano wa pastors kuntu kwetu waro ngora nyangi.
Okay.
Ito kuendelea nayo. Na tuendelee tena yo tukuita nantu next week tukadra tuna mchemani huu tukuita wa mwali we are teaching people.
Okay.
Na ito aragia maingi mono mtu na type.
Yes.
Yeah.
Bwega sana. Kwa mtu maybe amba kwa kenda kule kaedro no alikawa want to maybe quality a group of people, no alikawa want to quality maybe to nature, you know, mandu tamara omba kwegua labda banga niti kialo kia omba kubatereria in one way or the other.
Mono imba tawogeni mono na actually imbe ta mono na murmu na mpete grace I thank God. No, it is not my doing. It